Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Twitch on Samsung TV, quick fix step by step clearly. To start using Twitch on your Samsung TV, first, ensure your TV is connected to the internet. Turn on your Samsung TV and navigate to the home screen. Use the remote to access the Samsung Smart Hub. Look for the apps icon and select it. In the apps section, use the search feature to find Twitch. Once you locate the Twitch app, select it to open the app detail page. Choose the Install button to download the app to your TV. Wait for the installation to complete. After installation, return to the Smart Hub and locate the Twitch app again. Select the Twitch app to launch it. When prompted, sign in with your Twitch account or create a new one if you don't have an account. If you encounter any issues, check for software updates on your Samsung TV. To do this, go to Settings, then select Support, and choose Software Update. If an update is available, follow the prompts to install it. Once your TV is updated, relaunch the Twitch app. If you're still experiencing issues, consider resetting your network settings. To reset, go to Settings, select General, and then Network. Choose Reset Network, and follow the instructions. After resetting, reconnect your Wi-Fi network and open the Twitch app again. Your Samsung TV should now run the Twitch app smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.